guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope all is well with you guys. So we're going to be trying out prescription glasses from fytoo. So they have non-prescription and prescription glasses. They sent me 3 glasses, so we're going to also do an unboxing to see what's in there. Before I start this video, if you are new here, girl, hey, my name is Sheenan. Welcome to the channel, and before you leave, don't forget to hit that notification bell and also subscribe to the channel if you like this review. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So let's see what we have in this box right here. So this is box, and let's just see what's in here. So I got 3 glasses, and it comes with this little package here, which is really cute. So this is one of them. So I also got a jewelry. Okay, really nice. And let's just take off the glasses because we're gonna do that last. And let's see here, this is just my prescription and the social media information. I'll put everything down below for you guys, and that's it. Their glasses are really cheap. They are not expensive. You could get glasses from $1 to $15. So they also have glasses for women, men, and kids. They have prescription sports, they have colorblind glasses, and they have other glasses available. So I have a discount code for you guys. They were so sweet enough to provide a discount code for you guys. The discount code is Sheenan. You get 15% off your purchase. So I will put it right here so you guys could, you know, take a good look at my beautiful name. Also, I'm gonna have it down below for you guys. All the information to the links and everything will be listed down below as well. Okay, so let's just see the first one. I'm not sure if they have the names on them. Hopefully they do have the names. Uh-oh, no, they don't. I don't know this name. Okay, so anyway, so this is the first one. I'll put the name here so you guys know which one it is, because the name is not on there. So but I'll put it on the screen for you guys. So this is black and gold, really cute. I really like this one. So let's just see how this one looks on me. My eyes have to adjust to it. Let me wait. Whenever I get a new glasses, my eyes have to get adjusted to it. So this is beautiful. Ooh, I like this. I look like a teacher girl. I like this on top of the glasses. I really like the gold on the side. Really pretty, and this fits me really good. You know, I have a long face, so I feel like most glasses will fit my face, and it goes really good with my hair. I don't know if this is gonna be my favorite, but so far I'm liking this one. And I'm gonna wear this one when I'm driving. Ooh, girl, cute. And the glasses are really cheap. It's not even expensive. All right, so I really do like this one. Really cute, and I can see really good with these glasses. I like the little, you know, little pouch, and this comes handy as well, especially like if you know, I don't want my glasses to like scratch or anything. And I like the fact that it comes packaged really good. Okay, so this is the second one. Oh, this one is like a cat eye glasses, and I do like them cat eye glasses. I have a lot of those, just like fit me really good. Ooh, I like this one as well. Oh girl, my clothes is just like all just falling off. I like this one as well. Oh, I love it. Look how beautiful this is. Ooh, I love it. What do you guys think about this one? Really beautiful. And I could see really good with these glasses. I look like a school teacher girl. They feel really good. It's not even tight on me. It feels very comfortable. Let's just try this one out, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the last one. This reminds me of like my grandmother glasses. It just looks like her glasses. It really cute, like not thick, but you know, pretty at the same time. But I love the gold around this glasses. I actually like this one. It looks very back in the 80s and 90s when people used to wear those big glasses. I love gold, so I tend to wear a lot of gold glasses. And the only thing that I would say about this glasses, I don't like the nose type thing. I don't like these. I don't like these because it does squeeze my nose, but this was the only one on the website that I like, so I just pick it out. It's whatever. I like it. I think this looks really, really nice on me. I love the big glasses. I just love big glasses because my face is long. I just like this one. What do you guys think? Just from my experience from going to the eye specialist to test my eye out and picking out glasses, glasses are really expensive. Just yesterday, I went to my eye doctor to get new glasses. Even though I have insurance, my insurance don't cover half of the things I need to put on my glasses. I usually put things for the sun, bright lights. You know, I want to protect my eyes. And my insurance don't even cover half of the things. My glasses from my doctor cost me probably like $500. Now I don't really have to spend too much money on glasses because even though this company send me glasses, before I start getting glasses from companies, I used to buy glasses from other companies and it costs less than what you're paying at a regular eye doctor. So I would recommend that you guys try it out. You get 15% off if you want to purchase any glasses from this website. This will probably break fast if I'm not careful. So I'll recommend that you guys get like the thicker ones if you like clumsy like myself, like this one here. I like this one. It's really thick. I don't think this will break too, like it will break fast because, you know, it's very thick, the frames. But if you want something like stylish, like, you know, like myself, I like stylish glasses, you know, just for like, you know, if you're going out and you don't want to wear these thick glasses, you could, you know, get one like this, you know. I'll wear this like more in the summertime because I don't like, you know, those big frames. I just want something that looks very stylish, like I said. Like if you don't have a prescription, you just want to wear a glasses for style, they have that as well. So it's up to you what you like. They have a lot of glasses on their website. Thank you to fytoo for providing this product to share on the channel. Really appreciate you guys. And all the information will be down below. If you want to follow their social media links, everything about the company will be listed down below as well. Also, I have an Instagram page, I have a Facebook page, and Snapchat. All that will be down below if you guys want to follow your girl. And thank you guys so much for clicking on the video, and I hope this video helped you guys if you want to purchase anything from the company. And to my new subscribers, girl, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that notification bell and also like the video if you like this video. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.